Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here today to expose to you some of the affiliate marketing programs that will earn you income up to $10 for just referring people to try their services without making a purchase. So if you are interested to have this, kindly hit on the like button. If you are somebody who is so interested in making money online all the time, then kindly hit on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to get you notified whenever a new video is uploaded to the channel. Not to waste much of your time, let's enter into the video. The first ever website that I'm giving you is ConstantContact.com. Constant Contact is an email marketing platform, okay? And this website is paying you $5 per every referral that signs up to try their offer, okay? So you earn $5 from this website, okay? No selling, no entering of a credit card. You're gonna make $5 from this website. Okay, let's move to the second website that I'm giving you. This website called Pluralsight.com offers you $5 for every single sign up that you have from your affiliate link. This website is an online course platform just like Udemy that people will have a lot of courses to study from here, and when they enter to sign up or to try for their offers, you being the affiliate marketer is going to make $5 per every single referral that you bring to the website. Okay, the next website that I'm going to give you is Skillshare.com. Skillshare.com, okay, it offers you $7 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. Okay, so you can come here to sign up as an affiliate. Whenever you have someone to sign up to try Skillshare product or services, you are going to make $7 for free without them paying for the services that they are trying or they tried. The next website I'm going to give you here is SEMrush. As you know, SEMrush is one of the biggest SEO companies in the world, and they are offering you $10 for every new person that you refer to their service. Okay, so when the person signs up successfully to try their services, you are going to make $10 from them. Okay, and when one buys their service, you are going to make $200 from it. Okay, so it's a very nice program that I will entreat you to enter into it. Thank you. Hit on the like button if you have not done it already. Alright, let's move to the next website. The next website that will be giving us $10 for referring people to their services is called Freshbooks.com. Freshbooks is an accounting company, so they have accounting softwares and all the things, all the tools concerning accounting over here. Okay, so you can come here to promote their service, and every single sign up that you have for them is going to yield you 10 choppable US dollars. Okay, so take note of it. Freshbooks.com. The next website I'm giving you is called Grammy.com. It's a grammar correction platform. Okay, so you can come here to sign up for free and then promote their affiliate program. So you can sign up as an affiliate and you are going to make 0.20 cents from every single sign up that you bring to this website. Before we end the tutorial, do well to hit on the subscription button if you have not done it but you are interested in making money online just like me, and then also turn on the notification bell to get you notified whenever we upload a video here. Make sure to like this video. The last website that I'm giving you is gingersoftware.com. Ginger Software is just like Grammarly. Okay, it also corrects grammar mistakes. Okay, so you can come here, sign up as an affiliate and then promote their offer. Look for people to sign up, and per each and every registration that you bring to their website, you are going to make $0.5, 5 cents to your wallet. So these are the 7 platforms that I have for you. 7 affiliate marketing programs that pays you for not selling anything. I'll end the tutorial here and see you on one of the next videos.